How to buy FRAC token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going and buy this token, make sure to check their account and keep following their updates about this token. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. So to be able to buy this token, what you need to do here, just copy the token address or click on trade FRAC to USDC. Now click on it. To expand this window, click on this icon here, and you will be redirected to Hyperliquid exchange platform. So what you need to do here, just connect your wallet as like that. Check these boxes and click on accept. Now after that, log into your wallet that you want to connect and click on confirm. So after that, click on accept. Now after you connect your wallet to a Hyperliquid exchange platform, what you need to do is just click on buy here. Select the market or the limit. If you select the market, drag this to set how much your percentage of the USDC, but make sure to select the USDC first, and drag this to set how much of the percentage that you will use in, of your USDC that you have on your wallet. And here, as you can see, click on buy or enable trading to buy this token. Now if you select the limit, now just select the token here, type how much you want to buy, and you will be able to see how much you will be paid. Now after that, click on enable trading and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the FRAC token. And if you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.